Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study. We are going to conduct a test of determinants. But before we begin, I want you all to subscribe this channel and press bell icon not to miss the coming videos. Let's start. So first of all, we have this worksheet here, but you have to do read this and choose the correct option from here. These are demonstrative determinants and you have to fill from them in the blanks. So first of all, first one we have is I shall eat blank apple. This, those, these. Pause the video, think the answer and then after fill it. I hope you have done. So answer is I shall eat this apple. Why this? Why not these or those? Because it is singular here, and with singular we use this or that. So that was not in the option, and only we have this. So this is the right answer. Second one, blank apples are sweet. So pause the video, think answer, and then after play. I hope you have done. So here, these apples are sweet. This and that are singular and these is used for plural. Next we have blank boys are not good. Not this, not that, those is the answer. What you have to do, you have to pause the video after reading the question, then after you have to answer. Okay. Now next we have is blank is my pen. So not those, not these, this is this. Okay. Then after, my friend don't like this watch. Okay, not these, not those. Okay. Now again I take the answer here. This, these, those, this, this. Let's move to the next one. Now here we have possessive determinants. My, our, your, his, her and their. Let's do them. So it is very easy. You can use any of them with any. Like my phone got hanged. Our phone got hanged. Our actually phone is phone belongs to one person. It is personal thing. So mostly we use my, his, her, your. Otherwise we can use any, but if you use many, sorry, not many, my, our, your, his, her, their, all are correct. Okay, same thing with this. My dog, our dog, your dog, his dog, her dog, their dog keeps working. Same, my, our, any will be correct. Okay, I hope no need to discuss. Let's move to the next one. Now here, this is important worksheet. Now here I have given you two options in each blank. You have to fill them. Let's start. What you have to do, you have to pause the video when I'll ask the question, right? Now first, these are quantifiers. Okay, first one we have blank students were planning to bunk the class. Pause the video and think answer and then after give answer. So many students, but I had told you much and many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. So students, they are countable, so we'll use many, right? Next we have several. I gave the answer. Okay, this in this several years ago there lived a wise king. Right? Not all. Next we have few enough. Now here blank kilometers were here from here, sorry, blank kilometers from here. So not enough. Few kilometers from here. A number of much. Students were talking. So this is with the uncountable. Okay, so this is wrong answer. A number of students were talking. He ate many butter, much butter. Now much butter, uncountable noun. We can't count butter. Okay. Next we have he he took blank sugar, little sugar. I am sorry, I am a bit late. All little blank the apples are ripe. All the apples. All a bit. The love that I got from her. All the love that I got from her. He didn't get enough love, not many love. Many is used for countable. There are left some apples, not any. Let's move to the next one. Now here numerals you have to fill. Numerals, you know, ordinal and cardinal. I had already cleared that in the previous video in Hindi and in English. In both videos I had told you about them. Now here you have to fill them. This is my one book or first book. This is my first book. You are one of my best friend or first of my friends. You are one of my friends. He stood third in the class. Of course, third. India fought 4 or fourth battles. Of course, four, not fourth. Blank Karnataka war was the end of French company. So, third Karnataka war, not 3 Karnataka. Vasco da Gama was the one European to come India or first European. This is first European. Next one. Now this is this is for you. You will yourself attempt these questions. Okay. Then after one more here in next slide. Here you have to attempt these questions. Then after here we have answers. Okay. So this is all for the day. For tomorrow, what you have to do, you have to sorry, one more exercise here. Yes, this is also here, and here is one more, and then after here is the answer key. You have to take these 2 tests yourself. Then after the homework you have to do, revise the topic, watch the video twice. Means you have to conduct this test, you have to take this test twice. Okay, keep revising, read the lesson 1. Yes, this is for tomorrow or for next class. You have to read and write word meanings, difficult meanings of the lesson 1. Okay, this is wrong spelling. Help the child, this is for the parents. Help the child to complete his homework, keep asking questions, give positive remarks, prepare the child for doing his best. So again I'll say, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon not to miss the coming videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.